Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Bolt EV. The Chevrolet Bolt EV has a beautifully sculpted exterior, along with its impressive performance, spacious interior, and advanced technologies. It has completely reinvented what an electric car can be. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, leather trim seats, power steering, cruise control, airbags, front knee, power brakes, child safety locks, clock, heated steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.